guys. Today we will going to do an iterating experiment. Experiment 5, which is reactions of hydroxy compounds. The learning outcomes of this experiment are: number 1. Students should be able to identify classes of alcohols. Number 2. Students should be able to study the chemical properties of alcohols and phenol. Let's continue to the theoretical background of this experience. First of all, alcohols are organic compounds containing hydroxyl group as the functional group. Then, alcohols can be classified into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. There are two tests can be used to identify the class of alcohols. First is Lucas test. Second is oxidation. Lucas reagent is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride. Here is what happened to different classes of alcohol towards Lucas test. Let's continue to oxidation. Various oxidizing agents such as potassium manganate and sodium dichromate can be used. Alcohol can be oxidized to carboxylic acid, ketone or not oxidized by depending the class of alcohol used. Here is the apparatus and chemical reagents should be used in this experiment. Now, we are ready for the experiment.
Lucas test. Label 4 test tubes as shown. Measure 1 ml of 2-methyl-2-propanol by using a measuring cylinder. Fill it in the labeled test tube. Measure 2 ml of Lucas reagent by using a measuring cylinder. And add the Lucas reagent into the test tube containing 2-methyl-2-propanol and start the stopwatch immediately. Record the observation and the time taken for the solution to turn cloudy. Repeat the same steps by using the next alcohol. Add 2 ml of Lucas reagent into the test tube containing 2-butanol and start the stopwatch. Stopper and shake the test tube. If there is no change within 10 minutes, place the test tube in the water bath with a temperature between 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Start the stopwatch. Record the observations and the time taken for the solution to become cloudy. Repeat the above steps by using the rest of the alcohols and tabulate all observations. Deduce the class of alcohol X. Part B, oxidation. Label 4 clean test tubes as 1-butanol, 2-butanol, 2-methyl-2-propanol, and alcohol X. Place 2 ml of 0.04 molar sodium dichromate solution in each of the test tubes. Add 2 to 3 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid into each test tube. Add 3 drops of 1-butanol to the mixture. And repeat this step by using 2-butanol, 2-methyl-2-propanol, and alcohol X. Ensure that the temperature of the water bath is between 70 to 80 degrees Celsius and heat the 4 test tubes. Record the color change and tabulate the observations. Part C. Confirmatory test for phenol. Place 1 ml of phenol in a test tube. Add bromine water drop by drop. Until the bromine color disappears. And record the observation.